Welcome to our green-fingered world, where today we explore the resilient and beautiful succulents. These plants are not just survivors, they're a testament to nature's adaptability.
Succulents store water in their leaves, stems, or roots, which is why they can survive in some of the world's driest spots, from freezing cold mountains to baking hot deserts. Did you know there are over 25,000 succulent species worldwide, each with unique characteristics that help them thrive in arid conditions?
One of the most famous succulents, the aloe vera, is not just known for its beauty, but also for its healing properties. It's been used medicinally for thousands of years. Succulents can help purify the air. A study found they can remove volatile organic compounds from the air, making your home healthier.
They're champions of water conservation. Succulents need minimal water to survive, making them perfect for drought-prone areas and a key player in Waterwise gardening practices.
Succulents have a secret weapon called CAM, crassulation acid metabolism, photosynthesis, allowing them to minimize water loss by opening their stomata at night instead of during the day.
The captivating colors of succulents aren't just for show. They help protect the plants from sunburn and predators, while also attracting pollinators. Some succulents can live for more than 50 years. With proper care, these plants can become long-standing companions in your home or garden.
Succulent arrangements have become a trendy aspect of home decor, bringing a touch of the desert's beauty into living spaces with minimal effort. Propagating succulents is surprisingly easy. Often, a single leaf can grow a whole new plant, making them one of the most renewable plants you can own.
In their natural habitat, some succulents develop symbiotic relationships with animals. For example, certain cacti provide food and water for desert wildlife.
The smallest succulent in the world is the Blossfeldia lilliputana, which can be as small as 1 centimeter in diameter. In contrast, the largest is the baobab tree, known to hold up to 120,000 liters of water in its trunk. Succulents play a crucial role in many indigenous cultures around the world, used not only as food and medicine, but also in ceremonies and for their symbolic meanings.
The word succulent comes from the Latin succus, meaning juice or sap, reflecting their water-storing abilities.
Despite their hardy nature, succulents can be prone to pests like mealybugs and spider mites. Regular inspection and proper care are essential to keep them healthy. Succulents have been to space. NASA used them in experiments to understand plant growth in microgravity, showcasing their versatility and resilience. Climate change impacts succulents, with shifts in rainfall patterns affecting their natural habitats. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these unique species for future generations. Succulents are not just outdoor plants. They're known to thrive indoors with minimal care, making them a popular choice for office spaces and homes. To wrap up, succulents are more than just plants. They're a reflection of nature's ingenuity, a key to sustainable living, and a source of endless fascination and beauty. Let's continue to explore and cherish these remarkable survivors of the plant kingdom.